In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to edit PDF documents. Whether you're adjusting a few lines of text or completely overhauling a document, knowing how to efficiently make changes to a PDF can be an invaluable skill. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to help you master editing with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. To begin, you'll need to open your PDF using Acrobat Pro DC, launch the program on your computer and simply click on the File menu to open the document you want to edit. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the file directly into the Acrobat interface. This will quickly load your document and set you up for editing success. Once your file is open, direct your attention to the global toolbar at the top of the screen. Here you'll find a variety of tools, but for now we're going to focus on the Edit PDF option. Clicking on this edit tab will unlock a powerful array of tools that are essential for modifying your document. With the editing tools now accessible, you can perform a variety of functions to spruce up your PDF. Start by adding new text or modifying existing content. Simply click on the text area you wish to edit, and you'll see a text box that allows you to type directly into the document. Acrobat Pro DC lets you adjust fonts, size and style effortlessly, so experiment with these settings to find the perfect look for your document. The editing tools also allow you to manipulate images within your PDF. You can resize, move, or even replace images to better suit your needs. Selecting an image activates anchor points around it. Click and drag these points to resize or reposition the image. For replacing an image, just right-click, select Replace Image, and choose a new one from your files. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your document visually. As you make your edits, take advantage of other useful features like adding watermarks, comments, or even links to external websites. Acrobat Pro DC is designed to give you a comprehensive set of tools to create a polished and professional document. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, it's crucial to save the modified PDF file. Click on File in the menu bar and select Save or Save As if you want to keep a copy of the original and the edited version separately. Choose your desired location and hit Save. It's always a good idea to review your edits one last time before finalizing this save. By following these straightforward steps, you can confidently edit any PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. With a little practice, you'll find that editing PDFs can be not only manageable but enjoyable as well. Thank you for tuning in and happy editing.